Hi, Pierre Geyser here. We're demoing our HP AI design tool, which we call text to 3D'ye or text to product. And all the parts you see here were all designed with text in 3 minutes or less. And we have basically an engine that uses 3 different AIs, and you I will jump to the demo video. And so the way it works is you type a prompt here. So you say wooden carving of an apple in myrtle wood with highly figured grain patterns. And then in about 30 to 60 seconds, it comes back with 4 2D images based upon your prompt. And then you design in 2D. So basically you iterate with new prompts and new images until you get to something that looks like what you want with a 2D image. Then you select that image and you hit generate 3D. We have a second AI that takes the 2D image and converts it into 3 dimensions and builds a printable 3D model out of that. That takes usually about 2 minutes. And so you come back and then you have your fully printable 3D model. And then the next step on this application is then we have a productization step where you can customize that. You can make a figurine, an iPhone case, keyboard, a gaming keycap, a Matchbox car, etc. And then we run it through a non-AI engine that actually repairs it and optimizes it for printing and integrates it into the product. And then you have a product that you can log in and order. And then once this is public, we'll connect with a service bureau for delivery.